Hello friends, today we are going to see a 10th part of the Python programming. In last video, I had discussed about the numbers in Python. So if you are not watched the numbers in data types, do watch that before my videos. So before going to the today's video, please do share, like and comment and subscribe and hit a bell icon for the new notifications. So today we are going to see the next part of the data type, that is a string. So string is the most popular types in a Python. Okay, most popular type in Python. So strings can be created by enclosing the character in a quotes. The quotes can be a single quote or a dual quote, so that is double quotes. The single quotes and double quotes will be taken as a same value. Okay, it will be treated as a same way it will taken. Okay, I just show you how it takes the thing and show to us. Okay, I'm just opening a command prompt. I'm sorry, I'm just opening a command prompt first. Okay, I'm just moving now to a terminal, that is Python. Okay, I just came into the terminal. I'll just show you what happens here. I'm just giving a value with a single quotes. I said double quotes and single quotes will be taken as a string that is inside any character. Okay, I'll just show you how characters of single quotes will be taken. I'm just giving a single quotes with a value as a Python. I'm hitting a enter, it is taken, right? Okay, so I'll just show you what is the type for it. The type of value, that is val, is str, that is string. So now I show you the double quotes what will we do to us and show you what us. So the value of one equal to, I'm just typing that programming, this programming. Okay, I'm just showed it as programming. I'm just hitting enter. The values will be stored in a value one, and it will that when I type a type command to show what type it is being taken, it will show us what value is stored, that is what data type is being taken. So I'm hitting enter. See, the value one is also a string. So the single quotes and double quotes will be treated in the same manner. So the creating of value for a string is very easy. With you have to create a variable with some sentence with the double quotes or single quotes, it will be created as a string. Okay, to acts next part is a accessing of a value. Okay, accessing of a value. What is accessing of value? Python support does not support a character type. They are treated as a string of length of one. That is, you can't take a simply no, give a character in it. You have to mention the string and you have to substring that. That is the length of one. So the every character in a length, it starts with a value 1. Okay, so it starts the value 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, it will starts with like this, so it goes on. So this is how happens in a string. So what, to get the value of a substring, you have to use a square brackets with the variable name. So by using that you can get a substring value. Okay, so the substrings values will be calculated through indexes. Okay, I just show you how it is being doing. I just show you in a paint. I'm just opening a paint first. Okay, what first? Okay, I'm just giving a value as a data type. Okay, I'm giving a data type. Sorry, sorry for this handwriting. data type. Okay, so indexes will be taken like this. So if I hit a end data type, every column, every character takes a takes some value. D as some value, A as value, T as value, and A as value, and again T and Y and P. Okay, so in string the value starts from 1 and ends with the end value. So the end value of data type is 8. Okay, I'll show you how the grub takes inside. I'll just show you how it happens. So I'm just giving a value to equal to, I'm giving a same value name, string name as a data type. Okay, I'm just hitting enter. To find the length, you have to give a length function. To find the length function, I'm just giving a some variable to store the value. I'm giving a ASD of length, that is the length function of value 2. Okay, this is a function for length, and I'm now hitting enter. Okay, the value will be stored in ASD. Now I show you with the print statement and ASD, that is a value where it is stored. And now hitting enter, see the value for ASD, that is a data type value, is 8. So this is how it is being taken. I'll just show you how substrings is being taken. Okay, I just want a third character. I just want a third character of the value. Okay, so I'm just giving a print. Okay, print. I just want value to, right, value 2. Okay, value, sorry, value of 2. Okay, value of 2. I'm just hitting enter. It showed T. Okay, that is value 2. By calculating the length, it starts with the 1. When you substringing the string, its value will be started from 0, 1 and 2. Likewise, it has happened that the data types, to find a value, it has started with a 0 and 1 and 2. So as I enter the value as a 2, it showed me the value as a T. So this is how the slicing being happened in a substrings. Okay, the next part in string is updating a string. What is updating a string? Updating a string is nothing but you can append a new value to the existing value. That means if I'm having a, I love Python coding. Okay, so I have to append a word with a new word. That means I have to give a value as a endpoint as a Python programming. So I have to substring the value from one point to one point, and then have to append it to the another new existing one. I'll just show you how it will happen to you. I'll just show you very clearly. Okay, I'll just show you how it will happen. First, I give a value as a 3 equal to I love Python. Okay, this is a value that has been given. So now I have to append a new value. Okay, I'm just giving print of new string. Okay, print a new string that my variable name, as I said, to make a substring you have to do that with a square brackets. I'm giving a square brackets. The slicing main command, that is annotation connection, is you have to use a colon for that. So colon mentions that start value colon end value. Okay, so I will show you the separate part how the colon works in a string. Okay, okay, next I just show you how it happens. Okay, I'm just given a value 3 colon. Okay, where I have to start, that is minus 6, right? I just have to give a this building this. I'll just show you minus 6. Okay, minus 6 of colon, right? Okay, minus 6 of colon plus double quotes of programming. Okay, now wait, enter. See, the new string is Python programming. So this is how you have to do a update a string. Okay, this is also said to be an appending a string with a new string, that is updating. Okay, this is how you have to do. I'll just elaborately tell you what colon will do in string. Okay, I'll just show you in a notepad how it works. Okay, okay, so what colon does, the colon is, syntax for colon is start value with end value in middle of colon. Okay, so I just want a value from first value to last value. Okay, I'll just show you straightly in a code itself. I just want I love you Python, so I just print, okay, with a variable name of 3 with I'm just giving a colon. Okay, colon with minus 1. Just see what happens to this. That is, last character is being deleted. That is, I don't want a last character, but I want every character before that. Okay, it will show you like that. Okay, what will like, what will only colon will do that. See, the colon, if I just give a colon, it gives a full entire statement what is being entered in a variable. This is how stores. So if I want a separate method, separate, sorry, I just want a separate word like a Python, as I did, you have to do this. So I have did that minus 6 of colon, that is I am just backward calculated and just read the value from there. So if you want to start the value from 1, you can also do that. So I give a value with a 1, with 1 I'm just started a value with a 1 and ending a value with, I'm giving a 5. Okay, so lov, that is 1 2 3, okay, 4. So I started with the value 1 and ended with a 5. Okay, so last character will not be calculated if you do like this. That is 1 2 3 and 4, it will be taken and not 5. That is will be as a default. Okay, it will not calculated. So the value of 1 is space and value of 2 is L and value of 3 is O and value of 4 is V. This is how it will works for a colon. So some of the escape sequence characters, that is, if you want to give a new line, if you want to give a bell, you have to give us escape. You have backspace, form feed, new line, carriage space, space, and tab. These are the backspaces which is being used in Pythons. So if I want to give a bell, escape sequence. Okay, just wait. Escape sequence. So first thing in escape sequence is /a. /a will give a bell alert, bell or a alert. That means if you give a /a in some sentences in double quotes of string, it will give you a some beep sound, that is alert. Okay, if next one is a slash b, that is a backspace, back, okay, spc, that is backspace. And next one is slash n. All of you know that slash n is a new line, right? Okay, a line, new line. Okay, and next one is a t, that is tab. So tab will give us some space between a bird. I'll just show you how it all works in a next further going videos. I'll just show you what are the sequences, escape sequences being presented in this video. Okay, and next one is a slash s, that is space. So slash tab and slash space will do a same work, but different sides of working categories. Okay, our next one is a C, that is a carriage return. Okay, this is the carriage return. Our next one is a slash E, that is escape, escape. And last one is a form fade. Okay, this is a form fade. So I have said that this all the escape sequences being presented in a Python. I'll just tell you elaborately in the next part of the video how